Hey guys, what's going on? Not the real Will Smith. Congrats, Edward Durham. His IG's gonna be down there. He looked a little sketch because he didn't have any followers, but his IG had actually got hacked. So he made a new one. But again, big congrats to you. Stick around, guys. There's another video coming on. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna make another giveaway video. But guess what? There's more money involved. And I got an electronic item I'm giving away too. So stick around. Love y'all. Watch the rest of the video. Peace. What's going on, guys? Not the real Will Smith and another for your man. I'm in the passenger seat. You know why? Cause we gonna die today. I love my baby. Here's a flashback from when I used to love my baby. Anyways. Oh shoot. Wah, 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 wah. So Blair's driving.
No.
I'm excited.
No, I don't know what I'm doing.
Alright. It is purely an automatic car. So you gotta feel for the clicks, alright? That's what you're gonna do. You ready? Alright. Maybe I should put my seatbelt on too.
I don't even know what to hit.
You got two pedals.
Yep.
Your gas. Your brake. Put your foot on the brake. Not so hard though. Just a little bit. You'll feel like a little pop. You feel it? Like it's...
No.
You don't feel it?
Yeah, I did.
There you go. Alright, keep it there then. Now, don't push that. Don't push the button.
Ooh, what does this button do? Please, please, do not push the button. You have no idea what it...
Feel that? Now grab it. Grab it. Don't let go.
What the?
Put it back. That's why you don't grab the button.
Okay.
Because you'll mess up everything on the inside of it.
Okay.
Alright. So you're in park right now. If you pull it down one, well, let go. You see how now it's in gear. But if you take your foot off the brake, take your foot off the brake, you can't move it. It's locked. So it's like a locking feature. So now put it back on here. Your finger.
I didn't feel the clicky thing.
Push down more. Pull down one. Feel it? It's grabbing. So it's in reverse right now. Let off the brake a little bit. You'll feel it move. Feel that? Alright, stop. Pull it one more. The revs are going to go up. Pull it down one more. You're revved up. You're in neutral. Pull it down one more. It's going to grab again. It's in drive. Now you're going forward.
Can I let go off this?
Yeah, let it go.
Okay.
You're good.
Can we stay in the parking lot?
No, take me home.
Lord.
You're really in automatic mode, but
So-
you're dropping my e-brake on.
Okay. So I need to slow down, and then do I need to like?
No, you don't.
Nope.
Because it's in automatic right now.
Okay. Lord, I'm scared.
Let's switch it when she's driving.
Okay. Whoa.
She's gonna feel the difference.
No, you not.
There you go. You just drive it like it's normal. Hey, yeah. So it's Sunday. Is this Memorial Day weekend? Labor Day's in September. What is this?
It's Memorial.
That right.
Right.
I only had my car out yesterday because it was like a big cruise out to Asheboro. If you guys are seeing this video, it's probably afterwards. So, yeah. You're probably gonna feel weird noises and things like that. It's okay. When you come out of corners like this, you have to go at an angle. You have to cut it harder because the car's slower than a regular car. So you don't want to scrape anything.
So I'm just waiting for the light.
No, you can go, but you remember we're going in the left-hand lane. We gotta make a left after this.
Right, so I just need to turn and get into my left hand lane.
Yeah, give it some gas. Give it some gas. Go.
Floor it?
Yes. No, don't floor it.
Floor it?
No, don't floor it.
Okay, floor it.
Oh, they're turning. Go. Go. There you go. Gas. More gas. Give some gas. Give it some gas. She tried the thing.
I'm scared.
You braking?
Yeah.
All right, so she braking. She under 30.
Oh my goodness. He just gonna do it for me.
I'm gonna do it for you. Now you forced to give it gas. That's all you can do. So now you're like legit like in first gear. Like you're in first gear.
So what's the next gear? Second is like for 45 and up. How does that work? I forgot.
No, because if you putting it in second at 40 miles an hour, you redlining. You gotta know like.
Oh, so third and 45? How many?
No,
I mean,
no.
Because how many miles per hour? Like that's how I remember.
So for good fuel economy, you always want to be between 2 and 3 RPM, 1,000 RPM, right? Like if you're driving in manual mode. So when the time you should shift is really after 10, to be honest, in first
After
gear. After 10 miles an hour in first gear, because you'll see when you start driving, the tach is going to start going up. And then by the time you're at like 2 or 3, you're going to be at 10. By the time you're at 20, you're probably going to be at 3,000 RPM. I only know because I know the gear ratios of the car.
I just didn't know miles per hour. What gear?
Well, at 20.
At 20.
You should give it enough gas. It should get up to 20 pretty fast. But we're going to see. We have to like.
It's already ready to go.
Oh, yeah, it's ready for you. Oh, first. Yeah, let me grab this Starbucks. This is some good Starbucks, y'all.
I hate it.
How you feel? Green light. Just mess with you.
See now, I'm on 10 and 2. That's how I feel.
That's not 10 and 2. Okay, I'm just messing with you. That was.
That is 10 and 2.
That's definitely 3.
This is like, look.
Cover 12. You got it? Green light. Alright, so. Give it gas. There you go. Give it gas. See how you at 40, you at red line?
Mm-hmm. I feel it. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why you shift early.
Okay.
Give it some more gas. Dig in that thing.
Oh my God, really? Woo!
We were like really going like this. Go through the light. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Slow
Now
down.
you're back. Yeah. That's now you're good. You're back. See how quiet it is? That's all. How you feel?
Nervous.
You're nervous?
Nervous. I don't even want to switch lanes.
You got to.
Eventually, not now. Okay, Mustang.
Yeah, you do what they doing without all that loudness. I hate people that speed, people that rev their engines.
Why not?
Yeah,
I thought that was
because
the fun part.
it's not fun. I was definitely not doing 70 miles earlier an hour.
Yeah, I know you were doing about 80. I seen it. Yeah. You talked
I
about
was
that.
making sure that part wasn't a mechanical part that was the check engine light was on for. It was
Yes.
an electronic
That's
part.
what you claim.
I know. I know exactly where it is too. It's in a hard spot. That's what you got mechanics for when you don't do stuff yourself. But yeah. Listen up, kids. Don't speed. Don't drive wild.
And don't drink and drive.
And don't drink and drive unless it's Starbucks. Alright, y'all. We out of here. She's having a heart attack.
Yeah.
As
that's
usual.
Like my nerves.
But yeah, make sure you go subscribe, Not the Real Will Smith, on Instagram as well as YouTube. And make sure you guys go and participate in that giveaway that I got going on. The end of the month is about to go. Somebody about to get that $100. Will it be you? Is there another?